Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on this 22 horsepower Briggs and Stratton motor. I'll show you the problem I got here. As you can see, this crankshaft is snapped off, is missing about an inch. It's supposed to be a little bit over 3 1/8, and this is measures 2 inches. I went in my junk pile and got this crank off a 19.5 horsepower Briggs, and I measured over an inch here and used my zip cut wheel here and zip cut that off. So I'm going to screw in the bolt here. Just a little bit of threads left in there. Just going to squeeze this in. Thread it in there a little bit. Right there. Doesn't quite line up there. And it's a little bit long, so I'm going to grind that a little flatter. Seems a little high on this side here. I want to make sure this is pretty well square, so I'm going to run my sander on. Oh, perfect. I like that. Measure this here. 3 1/8. Yep, that's pretty close. I'll get this angle on here against here. Make sure the keyway lines up. Snap that there and here. Clamp that there. This will keep it nice and straight when I weld this up here. Just rag soak with water and we'll put that against the seal so it doesn't burn the seal up. And I'll cover my motor here. I'm checking the bolt here, make sure it didn't weld to the shaft. It's still turning, so that's good. I'm going to grind high spots here off. I inspected my weld and I found a crack, so I add more weld in there. I'll touch up the keyway here. Oh, that looks pretty good. Oh yeah, perfect. Alright, I'm going to put this on my own personal mower and run it for a year, make sure I don't snap off. And if it does, I'll just change a crank in it. Alright, if you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.